Meal prep, it isn't just for your meals 2, 3, and 4. It's also for breakfast. In my world, it is at least. I like to do an overnight oats. So what I'm going to do is old-fashioned oats. I'll take my own measurement here. 1 and 2. Same thing here. Cinnamon, just a little added pizzazz. A little bit of cinnamon across there, across all the bowls. And I like nutmeg as well. Not too much, this stuff is kind of loud, a little pungent. A little bit across there as well. Now, everyone's going to complain, what are you doing, Ron? There's sugar in that. Whatever. Here goes coffee creamer. A little bit goes in there. A little bit goes in there. A little bit goes in there. You know what? A little more goes in there. All right. Now we're going to go with some blueberries. You guys, I choose frozen because frozen lasts so much longer than buying it fresh. And also, frozen is typically high in the additional phytonutrients as compared to fresh because it's typically taken in, or picked, I should say, at season's perfection and flash frozen at that same moment. So there's a lot more nutrients locked away. Picked at season's perfection or season's peak. Now, let's use this because for every 1 part oats, I do 2 parts water. And just like that, you guys, I am prepared for the morning time. Myself, my kids. Easy as that. In the morning time, when I first get up, I will take these out of the refrigerator and let them sit on the countertop because I don't like super cold oatmeal. Easy as that, you guys. Meal prepping with Big Ron Jones. Practical advice for your real world goals.